Now the second thing in cash analysis is cash payment exceeding 20,000 rupees in a single day. Now, as per income tax, a person cannot make a cash payment exceeding 10,000 rupees per day. In 2013-14, the limit was 20,000 rupees. So it is very important to know how you can find out all such payments with the minimum possible time. If you try to find out the same thing using the hard copy, then it is nothing less than a 4-5 hours job, and at the same time you cannot give a 100% guarantee that all such instances has been incorporated. With the help of Tally inbuilt tools, we can find out such instances within few minutes. Let's see how. The first thing is you need to enter into the cash ledger account. We have already seen how to access the cash ledger. I am going with display, account books, cash. The shortcut is DAC. D for display, A for account books, and C for cash. As soon as you press this, you finally end up into a cash and bank ledger accounts. As you can see that there are two cash ledger accounts. One is main cash and the second is the petty cash account. Let's enter into main cash. Again, once you enter, what you see is the monthly summary. In order to see the transaction view, you need to enter into 1 month. Now what you see is transaction, but only for the month of March. We need to change the period for the complete year. In order to change the period, press F2. Leave both the field blank so that the Tally will take the period set on the gateway of Tally. Enter. Now what you see is the transaction for the complete year. What you see here, there are 1008 entries below this, and these are nothing less than some 20-25 entries. So in all, there are 1000 plus accounting entries, out of which we are trying to find out the accounting entries where a payment has been made exceeding rupees 10,000. Now, in order to do this, we need to use an inbuilt tool in Tally. हमें डेटा को फिल्टर करना है to meet our requirement. Our requirement is the amount should be greater than 20,000 and at the same time the voucher type should be payment. We have discussed in the basics video that an accounting entry for payment can only be passed using a payment voucher. So I need to filter all these 1000 plus entries to meet my requirement of a payment voucher with an amount of more than 20,000. This can be done with the help of range function. Range के सामने आप देख रहे हैं F12 with a single line. That means in order to use this option, we need to press Alt F12. As soon as you press Alt F12, one dialog box will open. Here it is asking you the conditions that you need to state. Our conditions are voucher having ledger amount. Now Tally has their own way of expressing few things. Ledger amount simply means the transaction value. Ledger amount greater than 20,001. Now why 20,001? Because in Tally, greater than is similar to greater than and equal to. So if I put here 20,000, it will even add those accounting entries where the amount is exactly 20,000, which otherwise should have been excluded. So in order to have a precise report, instead of 20,000, type 20,001. This is my first condition. My second condition is, now I want both the condition to be simultaneously satisfied. So I need to use and voucher having voucher type. What you see this in middle is the voucher type with name containing payment. Payment you need to type, it is not available as a drop down menu. Now we are done with both the condition. End of list. complete. Within few seconds, you now have a list of all such transactions where the payment has been made exceeding 20,000 rupees. Now, we have already seen that we have one more cash account, that is the petty cash. I want to find the same thing for petty cash as well. So instead of going out of the screen and again repeating the same thing for petty cash, I can use a shortcut option of ledger. What it will do, as I press F4, it will give me the list of all the ledger account from which I can select a ledger account where I want to apply the same condition. ऐसा करने से the tally will move from one ledger to the different ledger tally will move from one ledger account to the other ledger account by having the same conditions. Let's press F4. I type petty cash, enter. Within few seconds, we have moved from cash account to petty cash account, and the same condition states that there are 7 such transactions where the cash payments has exceeded the limit of 20,000. Now one more thing. If you want to have all these transactions in Excel, what you have to do then? You have to export the reports individually. And if there are more than 10 ledger accounts, then you have to repeat the export function 10 times. In order to save your time, there is one more report in Tally which can give you all such transactions at a go. How? Let's come out of this and get back to Gateway of Tally. In account books, instead of getting into ledgers, you should go through group vouchers. Enter group vouchers. In group voucher, type cash in hand. Now, what is this use of group vouchers? You have seen that you have 2 cash accounts. One is main cash and the second is petty cash. Since there are 2 cash ledger accounts, you have to apply the same thing to the 2 different ledger accounts. Now, one thing which is common between these 2 ledger accounts is they both are grouped into cash in hand group. So instead of going through ledger accounts, it is always better to go through the group account so that you can see all the transaction from all the accounts grouped under it at one place. So this report is giving you all the accounting entries from main cash as well as the petty cash. This is again for the period of only March. Change the month. In order to confirm whether this report is correct, let's apply this range function again. Alt F12, voucher, having ledger amount greater than 20,001 and voucher having voucher type name containing payment. Same conditions that we applied to individual ledgers, now we are applying it to group vouchers. End of list. Now what you see is here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. There are total 12 transactions here. And अगर आपको याद होगा, we had 5 such transactions in the main cash and 7 transactions in petty cash. So there has to be total 12 transactions, and this report is giving you 12 transactions. That means this report is giving you the perfect result. If there are, I repeat it again, if there are more than one ledger account where you need to apply the same condition, then it is always better to go through group vouchers instead of individual ledger. This will not only save your time but will also give you a quick exported report as well. Now you can export this report to Excel and your requirement is complete. I hope you had a very good understanding on how to trace cash payment exceeding 20,000 limit, now changed to 10,000 using the inbuilt tools in Tally.